Hello everybody. So today I've had some questions, I've seen some forum posts, I've had that kind of thing. And it seems that a lot of you are interested in getting your hands on an SAP system so that you can practice ABAP or you can practice doing different things in SAP, working with basis functions, working in that functional area. And the truth of the matter is, it's damned hard to get your hands on an SAP system easily. I mean, you could probably pay somebody from one of those shifty groups out there that would give you, some sort of remote access and say, okay, you log in with this and that. And by the way, you don't have a developer key, so you can't do any of that. And the fact of the matter is, SAP provides a trial system that you can download from the SAP website. Only problem is, it's extremely difficult to configure and get set up and make sure all the licensing is correct. And I'll be honest, guys, I consider myself somewhat of a Linux guru. I've been working with Linux since I was in middle school. I had a complaint one time with one of my friends about how Windows was just not cutting it for me for some things. I said, why couldn't they do this, that, and the other? And this guy was like a damn child prodigy or something. He had a Linux DVD. It was an Ubuntu DVD, and I don't even remember what the distribution was. It was so many years ago, but it was ancient. Now I don't even... People aren't doing that in school anymore, right, guys? Like, nobody's going and saying, oh, yeah, I hate Windows. And somebody says, me too. Well, here's a Linux DVD. Go ahead and install that on your computer and wipe your OS. But anyway, that sounds too good to be true and made up, but that's the honest to God. I mean, that's how I got started working in Linux. And so I figured when I went to install SAP on my own virtual machine, I actually tried it on a straight up, bare metal server I got over here at first, and it was like extremely difficult. Every step of the way I ran into issues. I'd run a command using something and from one of the SAP programs to start the server. I'd get all kind of weird error messages. I'd search it on Google, there'd be no results whatsoever. And it's a little bit hard to debug when you have literally zero results. So anyway, that being said, I wanted to give a big shout out to the company that helped me get started making these tutorials, making these videos. I've been writing ABAP for a little bit now. Not very long at all, but I do come from a background in Java, and I have worked with other programming languages, so it's been, I would say, easier for me than the average person that starts ABAP from scratch. So, it's kind of foreign to start out with, but pretty much any concept that I've researched, I can understand on my own research. So I can read a book, or I can follow a couple of YouTube videos, whatever. I can figure it out. For you guys who are saying you want to start learning ABAP, maybe writing some ABAP and thinking about it as a career, it's definitely a difficult kind of gateway to get through so that you're able to start. I mean, even just to get into an ABAP editor where you can, say write hello world. That's difficult. I mean, there's a couple of websites out there that let you do some kind of like weird interpretation thing, and you can write it in and the website will pop out the result. But in order to write real ABAP, select data from tables and be able to write real code, that's difficult. I mean, it's so hard to install this trial SAP system, which is what I'm on. I mean, if I go here and system, status, I'm logged into an SAP trial system, and I'll be honest with you guys, I did not install this myself. I mean, to a certain extent, I kind of finished it along, but you can see here I'm on a Linux system, 64-bit. It's the server name, IP address, all that stuff. It's a demo system, and that's what I'm using for this. But I couldn't go to the SAP website. I didn't have the wherewithal or the knowledge or whatever to go to the SAP website, download all of the installation media, create a new virtual machine, install, Gentoo? No, OpenSUSE OS. I had no problem with that. That was just installing a Linux distribution on a virtual machine, and then trying to install SAP on top of that. And that was where I kept running into error messages about the Sybase database isn't correct, the licensing isn't correct. I had one error message that took me 3 or 4 days to figure out. It's because I had a password that was too damn long. I mean, there's a lot that goes into this. So I wanted to share how I did it, because it makes it so much easier. So I don't normally promote other companies or anybody else's things, but this is just so useful that I had to. So we'll go ahead and drag this window over here. So this is abopacademy.com. It's the most personalized experience I've ever had with any service. I mean, I signed up for this. They have a free in-browser ABOP editor. You can use it for doing basic coding. It'll send you the result and the output. You actually run it and it's evaluated somehow. I don't know. That's pretty awesome. They have a fully pre-installed local SAP system, which is what I used. I don't remember what the pricing was. It was admittedly not that much compared to what you're going to pay if you were to go online and ask for remote access to another system. But these guys are amazing. They do offer remote access as well. If I click remote access here, so you get your personal SAP system access. Go ahead and click buy now. They'll have some prices in here. This is all subject to change depending on the time, I'm sure. They'll go ahead and show you, we got this. We can run this. It'll give us the result. It's amazing. You can scroll down. You can actually get remote access to a real live SAP system with developer access. So what they're doing is they're hosting this SAP system. And this S4HANA system or R3, I don't know the entire backend on this. They're hosting this system and they show you how to connect with the SAP GUI for Windows, and you're able to go in there and write code with a developer key. And this is all perfectly legal. There's no copyright infringement here. All they're doing is hosting this trial system, or however they're going about doing the thing. There's another option here, install SAP, which is what I've got going on. I've got a fully pre-installed local SAP system. It's all based on virtual disk. So I've got VirtualBox running a virtual machine for a what is it called now? There's a virtual Linux that I've got over here on this server to my right that is running this actual Linux distribution that is running the actual SAP software. I paid for it one time and now I've got it forever. As long as SAP continues to reissue licenses for this, I've got it. So I'm absolutely thrilled with this. This has made what I thought was an impossible job absolutely attainable. They give you basically the virtual image files, so you're able to go into VirtualBox and say start this up. You do like something very easy. You log in, you run a command in terminal, and that's it, and you're able to start. And so what you'll see is I've got this here. What you don't see is I've actually got a virtual machine running on a server that's on the same network here. And so when I go to the SAP GUI, I'm able to access an actual SAP instance. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out to that. I mean, this is the best way that I've seen in 2021. I mean, there could be something, I see a lot of people in earlier years where they have the SAP IDES. They're able to use that. But in 2021, I would say that the installation has become so incredibly difficult and technical and just convoluted, and there's absolutely no sort of help on the web out there. I would say if you're going to try to install an SAP trial system yourself, give it a go. I mean, you might have success. I don't know. I didn't. And like I said, I've been working with Linux. I've been working with troubleshooting, debugging, that kind of thing since I was young. I was kind of a nerdy kid. I mean, I've been doing the type of stuff forever. But I could not figure out how to get this SAP installed locally. So if you would like to, go to this website, abopacademy.com. Go ahead and take a look at their products that they offer, whether you want to do, remote access to an actual SAP system with a developer key, or whether you want a fully installed local system that you can run on a server or an extra PC, so long as it has enough RAM, disk space, that kind of thing. Go to this website, check it out, because guys, this was the best value for my dollar. And not to mention, the fellow that runs this, and I've been neglecting talking to this fellow, unfortunately, because I've been so busy with work. But this guy, Ladislav has sent me emails. He sent me video messages. Every every other once and again after I went and purchased this to make sure everything was working for me. Was there anything that he could do? Was there anything that he needed to work on? Was there anything that he could help me with? And that level of customer service is absolutely unparalleled. I mean, I've never experienced such tailored customer service. So I'm just absolutely thrilled with this software, with this website, with everything that these guys at ABAP Academy have done. You know, I purchased some kind of introductory package. I just started a job where I'm working with SAP every day. I purchased an introductory package. I had basic training, that kind of thing. And it was absolutely the best purchase that I've made this entire year. So, again, guys, I don't normally plug various services or any of that kind of thing, but this is worth your money. It's worth at least taking a look at. And if you have any questions about the actual end user experience, please feel free to leave me, a comment or an email, and check these guys out, because I think this is I'm kind of getting excited here, guys. This is the best thing that I have found on the market for getting your feet wet with ABAP development and learning ABAP in a way that is not just textbook. This is what you do. This is a variable. This is a loop. That stuff is boring. Anyone can write a book on that. But these guys really, I feel like they care very much about you as an individual and your, professional career. If you go to testimonials here, guys, these are real deals. They often share videos of the actual people here giving these testimonials. This isn't some BS type thing where you don't. It's all like everybody's got 5-star reviews on the reviews, and there's no bad reviews. This is the real deal, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Check out abapacademy.com. And if you like this video, I'm going to do my damn best to try and keep making ABAP videos with what I've learned from ABAP Academy and what I've learned on the job. And I hope you all have a great time learning ABAP, a great time learning SAP, and hopefully you can experience the same career growth that the majority of these people that purchase this product do, and the level of fulfillment that I have felt in purchasing this product. So thank you very much for listening in, and we'll see you in the next video.